wiper blades. Really? I just paid $80 for 2 wiper blades at AutoZone. And because I put my wiper arms on backwards, they broke. And the first set were $17 each. So I'm well into wiper blades now. Whatever that adds up to. Over $100. Yes, I messed up and I put them on backwards. My own fault. But seriously, guys, 80 bucks for 2 wiper blades? Wow. Which brings me to my next point. Removing the wiper arm. Let's see which tool works better. So I've got this puller to try, which is a Tui Auto. And then I got a tie rod Pitman arm puller because I watched a video saying that will work. Let's find out which one works better. 13 fits, so 13 is what I'm using. It's probably 9/16, but whatever. If you take your wiper arms off, put a piece of blue tape on them and mark them left and right. I'm already irritated. What are we doing wrong? Oh. Well, it came off. I guess the puller works better than a screwdriver. So it will remove both of the wiper blades, at least on a 2006 Mustang. But this one is too wide. All right, can you see about right there where there's a gap? I don't know how I missed this, but that's how they're supposed to be. They were backwards. So now we're gonna take them off, paint them, put them on, and all will be well in the world. So when you're painting your wiper arms, you definitely want to use very high temperature, flame-proof spray paint. It's the only black I have, okay? Now before that black gets done curing, you want to hit it with the crystal clear right away. Let me show you. So when you're painting, you want the cleanest environment possible. So what I like to do is post up right on the side of the house so I can get the overspray on the house and I can get all the grass out the garbage can. Perfect. Well, it's probably hard to see now, but they're on. They're painted. They work. I'm happy. Kid will be safe driving. Kid should be safer driving, I should say.